Welcome to our YouTube channel. Do you want to download YouTube videos you like so that you watch it later while being offline? Then you have came to the right place for sure. Before starting the video, let me tell you. Torch is a Chromium-based web browser which can be used to download videos directly from the YouTube. So let's begin. First, go to your browser and search for this. Now click on this official link of Torch browser. Then you will see the interface like this. You just have to click this download button. Now wait for it to be downloaded and then open it. Now click the run button. Click next after agreeing the privacy policy. Now wait for it to install and download all the files. Click finish. You have successfully installed the Torch browser. You just have to click this button to download any video of YouTube.